Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you the unboxing of Dymatize ISO100 Hydrolyzed Whey protein. This box weighs approximately 5 pounds, that is 2.3 kgs. And coming to the flavor, I have ordered the chocolate flavor. Number of servings for this flavor are 71 and it is gluten free. And here you can see that they have clearly mentioned 100% protein isolate. And here you can see the nutrition information such as 25 grams proteins, 5.5 grams of BCAAs and 2.65 grams of leucine. And here you can see the nutrition facts such as total fat, cholesterol, sodium, total carbohydrates, protein, as I said, 25 grams, calcium and potassium, iron, and so on. And here they have given the directions on how to use this whey protein. You can take 1 level scoop and you can add approximately 200 ml of water or milk depending upon your taste, and you can mix it and you can drink it pre or post workout. Over here they have clearly mentioned what you get per serving of this hydrolyzed whey protein from Dymatize. This is how the packaging of Dymatize ISO100 Hydrolyzed Whey protein looks. At the top you can see the neckband seal. You can see the best tasting chocolate. And coming to the bottom, you have the lot number and the expiry date and the manufacture date. At the bottom, a domain name is also mentioned, customblowmolding.com. This is how the bottom looks. Now coming to the top, you have the neckband seal. As I said, you need to remove this neckband seal. Okay, and on the cap you can see the Dymatize logo. The cap is very tight, so I need to apply some more force. And once you open the cap, you will have the seal. This seal is very strong. You need to take a knife and you need to peel this. Inside, if you can see properly, that the protein is not attaching to the walls of the container. You will have the scoop inside. You need to use your hands and you need to check for the scoop. Yeah, here is the scoop. You will get the red color scoop, and here you can see the Dymatize branding and the logo. This is how the isolate looks inside the box. For demonstration purpose, I am going to show you the mixability of this whey isolate from Dymatize. Since it is a purest form of protein, it dissolves quickly. I am going to use this bottle and I am going to add the protein inside this shaker. I am going to take 1 level scoop. Here you can see the 1 level scoop. And you need to add 200 ml of water. Okay. I am not taking accurately. For demonstration purpose, I have added a little bit of water. Let's mix this. Okay. Inside you can see that the protein is mixed perfectly. There are no lumps. So that's it guys. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.